This is Mr. Phoebus, and someone's inboxed me to say, is it possible to get into the Apogee Space Center, which is that great massive bally thing here, without having to go through all the stupid stuff to get there, like killing all the Leviathan souls and all that. Well, I'm gonna go take it on. I think this is the highest and closest source. If not, I might give Heinz a call.
That was fun. Can we do it again?
No? Well, okay, maybe climb. Ah, what? Oh, that isn't fair. Oh, what? Oh, well, that's not fair. Well, it doesn't look like you can get into the Apogee Space Center without... Go away. Go away, go away, go away. Bad little... What the hell are they? Oh, you can't find out what they are. Oh well. I know you can have Ratchet and Clank too, but... These stupid gun things keep attacking you. Why is there a random little thing there? Right there. See that? Right. Stupid piece of crap. See? Right there. It's got nothing to do with that, otherwise there'd be one there as well. But I didn't make this stupid game. Oh well. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.